Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel, and this recipe is a recipe that I took off the Epicarious website, made some changes and made it my own. Once again, this is a recipe I picked up when I was at culinary school. I did a lot of baking and cooking outside of the classroom. Alright, back to the video. This recipe is the third appetizer I'm making that you can use at your parties this month of December. Keep coming back to see what else I have in store. Back to the video. The original recipe called for regular medium-sized tomatoes, but I prefer Roma tomatoes. They're sweeter. And it uses regular salt, and I prefer sea salt. I made a change to that as well. Alright, back to the video.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
The original recipe didn't call for salt to be sprinkled inside of each shell, but I felt it needed it, so I sprinkled some sea salt, added that to my recipe. Alright, back to the video.
Lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in
My angels, my dears, if you keep your avocados for too long, they'll start to turn brown, as you'll see these brown spots. All you need to do is just scoop them out, or just take out the avocado before it gets old. Alright, back to the video.
oh, snow is falling.
I had already removed some of those overripe brown spots, so the little I have here won't hurt. Okay, back to the video.
As I walk outside, hear the Christmas Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you.
When I worked at an authentic Mexican food restaurant in California, as a line cook, I was able to learn how to make a perfect guacamole. So you see here I'm adding more ingredients than was initially in the recipe. Okay, back to the video.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
That excess lime juice in the bottom of each one of the tomatoes would make it seep through the bottom, so I dumped off anything that was extra in there. Alright, back to the video.
Who would have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes? Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can,
Be sure to completely rinse and completely dry your cilantro. That is, not just for the garnish, but before you chop it up and include it in the recipe. Back to the video.
for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you.
Thank you so much, my angels, my dears, for watching this video to the very end. I appreciate your checking out my other appetizers. I'll include a link in the description area. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please plan to do so. Give me a like if you like this video. Hit that notification bell if you're subscribed so you'll be notified of any new uploads. And come back for the rest of December to see what else I have in store. Hope to see you again soon. Many blessings and much favor until we meet again.